You searched for how to buy shares of Vulcan Materials Co., a major producer of construction aggregates and building materials. Vulcan trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VMC. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a registered broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will typically verify your identity with an ID document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker VMC to find Vulcan Materials Co. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view a price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the company name, the VMC ticker, and NASDAQ exchange to confirm it is the right stock. To invest, click the Investor Trade button. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. For the same example, find the eToro link in the description below.